Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CGC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this analysis several times, so that's where all these red and green line annotations are coming from. But actually, I'm going to do some house cleaning, and we're just going to kind of start anew. Sure, all these lines that I'm deleting still do pertain to the chart. They're just not relevant right now, and from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion and clutter because there's lines all over the place. So let's try to keep this as clear and clean as possible. So as far as levels of support are now concerned, the key level that, to give credit where credit's due, the price has done a good job of holding up above, has this been this level right here at $46.50. Taking a quick trip down memory lane here, you can see this level has quite the history where the bears have gotten down around there and the bulls have held strong and some very nice bounces have ensued. Sure, the price actually did push down through it temporarily today, but by the time the dust had settled, the price was able to fight back up above it. So 48.50 is still that key level of support going forward, and that's definitely the ideal level that you want to see hold. Now, in the event it does not hold, the next overall level of support after that point is down there at the $45 mark. So 46.50 and 45, two of the initial areas of support going into next week. But like I said, the price did actually get a nice little bounce here. Let me get that, help with the perspective. There we go. So I mean, when you consider that at one point the price was actually down at that area of the chart and the price ultimately closed up there. Was that a massive bounce? No, but it was definitely a respectable bounce. So if that bounce continues, as far as the overall levels of resistance are concerned, that first key level is going to be this former area of support right up here at 48.50. So 48.50 on any sort of bigger bounce, keep an eye on that level. Also watch the purple line here, the 50 period simple moving average. I'm not going to assign a numerical value to that one because it's a moving average, so that value will move and change over time. But just realize that if there is any sort of bounce, if this bounce is going to build upon itself, that first key hurdle right up there at 48.50. And the next level after that, keep an eye out for that 50 period simple moving average. So not the best way to close out the week, but still a lot of eyeballs on this one. I was watching it today, so next week should be pretty entertaining, so I'm going to keep an eye on it. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.